Samantala, bumaba naman sa 4% ang home sales activity sa buong Canada nitong Oktubre, ayon sa datos ng Canadian Real Estate Association. Ang mga posibleng dahilan sa likod nito, sa ulat ni Teresa Barrera.
Inilabas ng Canadian Real Estate Association o CREA ang kanilang monthly housing report Lunes kung saan naiulat na bumaba ang aktibidad ng housing market sa bansa ng 4% noong October 2025 kumpara nung nakarang taon.
Right now, there's a lot of people being laid off. And then a lot of business are closing down. Inflation rate is so high that it is really hard for people to buy anything at all, especially buying a house, which is really a big financial burden for them.
Dahil sa mga maraming changes sa immigration policies ng ating government of Canada, we have less people, less workers, less students, and so less people looking for a home to buy.
Pero kahit na bumaba ang aktibidad sa market year over year, tumaas naman ng 1% ang month-over-month home sales.
Because of the falling interest rates. Beginning of 2025, the Bank of Canada overnight rate is at 3%. But they've gone to 3 times reduction already. And right now, we are at 2.25% as of October 29, 2025. So with that, people are now getting more confident. They are getting approved for a higher rate, so the affordability actually increases.
Ang housing market ngayon, balanced, ayon sa CREA.
For buyers, wala na tayo ng mga multiple offers. And also for buyer, mas maraming choices ngayon kasi mas maraming available na inventory. And plus, at the same time, ang prices natin ngayon is hindi masyadong mataas ang hinihingi ng sellers. On the seller side, since active din ang market, so they can still sell their property at the market value, which is normal. And at the same time, they're not scared that they will not sell the house because the market is currently very, very active.
Ayon sa CREA, may pent-up demand ang housing market sa Canada. Kung kaya't kailangan na raw maghanda sa ngayon ng mga buyer at seller kung nais nilang makapasok sa merkado sa Spring 2026.
You need to, number 1, pay off your utang, so establish your credit score. And number 2, save up for your down payment. Number 3, get a mortgage pre-approval because the interest rates and the pre-approval, you can hold it up to 4 months or 120 days. And yeah, you can talk to mortgage professionals and your realtors in order for you to start preparation.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.